Hello and welcome to my series of tutorials about Ubuntu 12.04, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install and remove software using the Software Center. And now the Software Center is this icon over here, the shopping bag. It should show up in your left panel. If it for some reason it doesn't show up, I'm going to unlock it for a while, so if it doesn't show up you can get to it by going to the dash, searching for software and dragging it to the panel and letting go. To launch it, of course, you left click on it and it will open, and you see a couple of sections in here. Over here, there you see a number of banners which you can scroll through, the things Ubuntu is promoting at the moment. Here you can see the new software in the Software Center. Here are the top rated applications, so the programs that a lot of people are saying are really good. Over here you can browse by category. For example, let's say I'm looking for a chess game, then I can see that here. Here are the subcategories. So it's a board game, and I get a list now. Using this I can sort it by name, by newest first, or by top rated. So the top rated chess game over here, that's by chess. If you want to install it, you can use the install button. You will get a prompt asking for your password. Normally you only get that once per session. So if I install this and the next time I install an application, I shouldn't get the bugs anymore. So right now it's installing. You can see that here by the progress bar. Also here with the turning arrows, the rotating arrows. You can click on this to monitor the progress. You can see it's currently downloading the application. By clicking on this, you return to the overview of all software. Here's an overview of the installed software on your system. The history, so what you recently did. Also you have little drop down arrows here, so if you click on those you can choose if you want to see only the software provided by Ubuntu or only software for purchase, etc. And the same here, but for the software that's already installed. For example, I should be able to see all software I purchased using this, but I didn't buy anything yet, so nothing shows up. So you can see that when installing it, the Software Center automatically puts an icon in the launcher. If you right click you can undo that, you can unlock it, but let's not do that. So you can launch it by clicking. You can also drag it to reposition it. So there we go. And let's close that now. I'm going to remove it. Oh, wait a second. I'm going to remove PyChess now. So I can use the search bar to search for PyChess, or I can see what I recently installed in the games Okay, so let's look for it by using the search box. Click on it, and here you see the remove button. Also, you can press more info on software installed or not and get a description. You can also see what else they installed, what other people who installed this, what else they installed. Reviews for this, screenshots, and because I installed it, I now have the ability to remove it, and I will do that. So it will go and remove it and automatically remove the icon from the launcher. So let's go back to all software and install something else. Let's install my calculator. So again, I press the install button. Notice that right now I do not get a window asking for my password. Judging by the progress bar, I can see it's almost ready, and you will see here that it shows up here in the launcher bar. So let's put that here, and now I have my shiny new calculator over here. I think I'm going to keep that because the default one, well, it's this. Not as pretty, smaller boxes. So I think I'm going to keep this. Yeah. Some recommendations, of course. You can't go wrong. You can hardly go wrong with the stuff that's in the top rated section. But I have a number of recommendations, first of which is the VLC media player, which I already installed, which allows you well, to view movies and listen to music. And the nice thing about it is that it plays, well, everything you throw at it. It's got a nice simple interface. Also, what I particularly like is Dolphin File Manager, but well, this is the default file manager, and if that's not your cup of tea or you want to try something else, then I definitely recommend checking out Dolphin. Also Ocular, which I already installed. That's a document viewer, so you can read PDFs with it or ebooks or whatever. And the nice thing about that is it remembers where you left off. So let's see. So I didn't go to the start, but it immediately jumps to where I was the last time. So that's the Ubuntu Software Center. Maybe one more thing. If you push your mouse all the way up to the top, you can see a couple of extra options to sync between computers, to reinstall previous purchases, and to manage software sources. So if at a certain point you hear about software sources or you read about them, you know that's where you can find them. So here the help, you can get some help here, and that's all. That's mostly what you need to know about using the Software Center. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you back in one of my other videos.